Welcome, NEET aspirants. This question is from the chapter Principles of Inheritance and Variation. The question is on blood group antigens. So, what is given in the textbook? Blood group antigens is an example of both codominance as well as multiple alleles. Now, why multiple alleles? Because three alleles, the dominant A, the dominant B, and the recessive one. These three alleles code for the blood group antigen. It is called codominant because the A allele and B allele both can express in the presence of the other one. That means both are codominant. This one is recessive. And this is the reason if these two are present, okay, in a genotype like this, the blood group antigen becomes A, B blood group antigen. If only A is present, the blood group will be A blood group. If only B is present, it will be B blood group. And when both the alleles are recessive, it will be O blood group. So the beautiful concept here is the three alleles, these three give rise to six genotypes. So these are the six genotypes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Six genotypes, and the phenotype, this is what we can see, are total 1, 2, 3, 4. Three alleles can produce four phenotypes and six genotypes. So you have to be absolutely clear in your mind that A blood group can be homozygous, this is homozygous condition, or it could be heterozygous, IA and small I. Similarly, B blood group can be homozygous for B allele. This is the homozygous condition, and heterozygous condition is B and small I. So only one genotype is possible for AB blood group, and again in O blood group only one genotype is possible. So two genotypes are possible for B blood group and A blood group. So with this background, now we will attempt the question. So let's begin now. Mother has A positive blood group, father has B positive blood group, child is A positive. What can be the possibility of genotypes of all three respectively? So in the same sequence, we will have to identify, choose the correct answer. Okay. So mother is A positive, father is B positive, and the child is A positive. So this will definitely have dominant A, this will have dominant B, and this will have dominant A. The other allele will be recessive from this parent. So this is the genotype of child and the parent. This could be both heterozygous as well as homozygous. So let's find out. This is the child, this is child, this is child. And then father is, this is, I will have to add 1 more minute to the timer. So father is B positive. So here we see heterozygous B over here. And this is homozygous. So we rule it this thing out. And the other one is also heterozygous. And in case of mother, homozygous, yes. And this is heterozygous. Okay, so the answer is B and E. Option number 4. Mark it on the OMR sheet. 195 is 4. So we attempted this question in around 1 minute 30 seconds. So let's do this slowly to understand. Now you have kept this thing in your mind. If this is clear in your mind, it will be easy for you to attempt such questions. So mother has A positive blood group. Since we are in the process of solving the problem, you don't write both the alleles. At least one you're definitely sure of, that it will be carrying the dominant A allele since it is A blood group. Father has B positive blood group. So father definitely is carrying one dominant allele for B, and child is A positive. So child is also definitely carrying the dominant allele for A. Father is not A, okay? So this A has come from mother, and the child is not B, indicating that the other allele is recessive. And this parent has definitely given the recessive allele to the child. So from this information, we have confirmed genotype of child and confirmed genotype of the father. Mother, both are possible. And therefore, the answer is also this and this. We are definitely sure that it is heterozygous. So here it is heterozygous A for the genotype of child. And then father is heterozygous for B. And in this option, we have heterozygous B. And this is heterozygous B. And for mother, mother can be homozygous and heterozygous. So this condition is homozygous. This condition is heterozygous. And therefore, B and E are your confirmed answer of this question. So this is additional information which I want to give you. I covered this question on Golgi body, and I explained you what is the role of Golgi. So structure of Golgi and function of Golgi. So Golgi is involved in producing glycoproteins and glycolipids. So glycoproteins means the proteins will have sugar residues on it. Before expression, they are glycosylated in Golgi. So this is the O antigen, and these are the sugar residues. Okay, so this process is known as glycosylation when sugar residues are added to protein. So this is how O antigen looks like. And A antigen has this basic structure of O antigen. So you can see galactose is there, then N-acetyl glucosamine, then there is galactose, and this is fucose. So A antigen is different from O antigen by just this one single sugar. Okay, this is N-acetyl galactosamine. And when you check B antigen, see the structure, the basic structure is same. So instead of N-acetyl galactosamine, there is galactose. So a difference of a sugar unit brings so much difference in the blood group antigens. And the IA, that means the dominant allele for A, it codes for the enzyme N-acetyl galactosamyl transferase. And this is how the sugar unit is inserted on top of the O antigen. And the blood group becomes A antigen. In case of B antigen, the allele IB, okay, this dominant B allele, it codes for galactosyl transferase, and galactose is added to the basic structure of O antigen. And the small I gene, it doesn't code for any enzyme, so it remains as it is. So see, this is the difference. The same structure I have drawn this way to help you understand the structure. This is the basic structure which is called H antigen present on O blood group. Then this is the A blood group. The same H antigen now has one additional sugar unit which is N-acetyl galactosamine. And in B blood group, there is galactose. Okay, so the basic structure of H antigen is same in all three blood groups. So that's all about this question. Thank you so much for watching my video.